Hello and welcome to my channel, Lookem. I am Frank. For the second episode of the series, we will have a look at the Leatherman Squirt P4. P stands for pliers and 4 for the 4 outside accessible tools. The P4 was released in 2002 and retired in 2010. Then it was replaced by the PS4 that added scissors, but it has still no tweezers, and it lost the eyeglass screwdriver. It's not really a good evolution, and I won't talk much more about it. The pliers are small but good. They work as regular pliers, needle nose plier, and wire cutter. It works great, but they're small. You won't get enough torques for bigger jobs. They inherited the same spring action created for the Leatherman micro scissors, the same mechanism that we have already seen on the Squirt S4 and that we will see on the E4. It is an ingenious spring action used on all the Squirt series. They are nice, small pliers for small jobs. The clip-on blade is the same as the one found on the S4. It's the same for all the series. The blade is made of 420HC stainless steel that is easy to maintain and sharpen. The hole is very small and usable for making pilot holes. But be wary not to use too much force, otherwise it will fall on your fingers. The extra small screwdriver is a great tool for glasses screws. A must-have tool lost in the PS4. Wood and metal files are a good idea, but it is so small that it is barely usable. The medium flat and cap lifter combo blade works well as a screwdriver, but it is really short for cap lifting. The small screwdriver Phillips combo tool is not good as a flat screwdriver, neither as a Phillips screwdriver. This tool is really hard to use. It is the same that we can find on the Squirt S4. The keyring attachment can be folded into the handle after taking off the ring. It makes the P4 smaller and easier to put in a purse or pocket. In my opinion, the Leatherman Squirt P4 is not the best tool of the Squirt family. The pliers are good but limited to very small jobs. The combo flat Phillips screwdriver is not really usable. The file is too short. The pliers works really well for small jobs. I love the blade and extra small flat screwdriver, but I miss the tweezers lost from the S4. The P4 lacks a pair of scissors too. They were added on the PS4, but it lost the extra small flat screwdriver and it has still no tweezers. Do you like the P4? Do you use it? Let me know in the comment. If you like that video and want to know more about the Squirt family, please subscribe and hit the bell button. You'll be the first to know when the next video about the radio jack, also known as E4, will be released. Please like, share, subscribe. This really helps the channel to grow. I am still Frank, and you are still watching Lookem. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.
you.